As of the time I'm making this video, $1 to naira is over 1,500 naira. And then in this video I'm going to show you how you can at least make $100 using a very simple business model that has been here for years, and you may have heard about it. It is simply called Amazon KDP, to at least make, even if it is $100 in a month. I mean, I've tried these things for the past 2 months and it is working, and that is why I'm bringing it to you, so that I'll be making money for yourself on the internet. And you can see this is the dashboard of the last 2 months, this is the dashboard of last month, and this is the dashboard of this month that we are currently in September. And then if you are going to pay attention, you are going to learn everything, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, for you to get the best result. Are you ready? Yes. But before we go on, my name is Kingsley Nemeka. For those who are meeting me for the first time, if this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel, I help you with business tips and ideas, how you can use just your smartphone to make money on the internet with the information we give you on this YouTube channel. And just in case you're seeing this video on Facebook, do well to also follow us. And once you follow us, drop a comment either on Facebook or on YouTube telling us that you have subscribed or you have followed. I have a special package for you, a gift that I send to my new subscribers and new followers. You would like to have it. So today we're majorly going to be talking about Amazon KDP. For those who are hearing the name Amazon KDP for the first time, is that we are starting with what is Amazon KDP. You have been hearing about it a lot more time, but you don't know what it is. I got you. So Amazon KDP, what is it? So Amazon KDP simply stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. That is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and it has been here for years. I mean, a lot of people have been making so much money from it. It's just that you don't have information. That's why I used to tell a lot of people that when you don't have money, that's not only when you are broke. Even when you don't have information, you are also broke, because it is information that you need to get to the next level of your life, and that is why you're here, right? Yes. So an author can actually publish book online there, or you who is a self-publisher can actually publish book on Amazon to their wide audience. As long as it is accepted by Amazon, you can publish it on Amazon platform and you get paid. The beautiful thing about it is that you can publish book today, and in a few days you're already making money from it. So self-publishing has become favored over the past few years, and that is where this Amazon KDP comes in. Imagine you being able to publish book on a platform and there are giants of audience to read it. Amazon has giants of audience. The last time I made my check, they have over 300 million customers. Imagine people who have such amount of people patronizing them. All you need is just few of them and you start making so much money from it. But wait, I know you're complaining right now that you are not a writer. My dear, you don't have to be a writer to actually make money using Amazon KDP, and I'm going to walk you through all of them in this video. So how does Amazon KDP work? The first thing is to upload your book file on Amazon, and then second thing is to publish it on the platform. Once you publish it, we move to the third one, which are readers purchasing those books. They can either purchase it as an ebook or they purchase it as a paperback. Anyone they decide to do, you are just going to make so much money from it. And Amazon actually allow what we call pen names, meaning that you don't necessarily have to answer your name. Like me, Kingsley Nemeka is not what my name is on Amazon. And so if you actually go to Amazon, you need to understand that there are things that are accepted there. Amazon is your middleman. Many people trust Amazon, but they don't know you. But once you put your book there, people can actually trust Amazon, give Amazon your money to give you, and then take your book from Amazon. It's as beautiful as that. And again, I am telling you that you don't need to be a writer before you can actually publish book on Amazon, because it is something very simple. You can actually publish books like this that doesn't have any write-up inside. Imagine a book like this that doesn't have any write-up inside. It's just a notebook. All you have to do is to design a very nice, beautiful cover. Once you're able to design a beautiful cover, people coming to Amazon can just print those things and use it for students who want to write, and use it for journal. So you don't necessarily have to worry yourself about writing a book if you're not a writer. There's a way for anybody who really wants to succeed in Amazon KDP. So what kind of books do you upload on Amazon. You can create novels, you can create book series, you can create journal, you can create low content book. The low content book are this kind of book I told you that there's no write-up on it, right? Yes, you can create such book as well. You can create comic books, you can create cookbooks, you can create travel guide books, you can create money making book, you can create textbook, you can create recipe book, you can create planners and journals and many other things that Amazon accepts. So imagine you coming and you just focusing on one niche, you're going to make so much money from it. So if you're looking forward to actually go into Amazon KDP, these are the things you need to know about it. The first thing, as we said earlier, is that Amazon KDP is a place where you publish a book by yourself and you put it in that platform and Amazon ends up paying you. The second thing is that when you post this book, Amazon is going to review it to see if it is in line with their community guideline, and once it is in line, your book will go live. And once your book go live, it is available for all the people who are going to actually buy the book. And once people buy the book, you get paid. It's as simple as that. But one thing I have always told people is that always go for people who will hold your hands. I believe so much in someone holding my hands in anything I want to do than just try to search a lot of things on YouTube to try to figure it out on myself. You can actually figure it out on your own, but it will take you more time than it should have taken you when you have someone putting you through. This is why you'll be using the link in the description of this video or in the comments to go to a page where you can actually purchase a masterclass for this Amazon KDP. The reason why you're doing that is because Amazon has a lot of rules and regulation. First, you need to have someone who is going to put you through, who is going to hold your hands, and who is going to show you what you must do to get the results you need to get. You don't just post any kind of book. There are kind of book that people are looking for. You don't have to write what you want to write. You have to write what people want to read. And this is what this Amazon KDP course is going to do for you. All you have to do is to click the link in the description and you're going to get access to that training for just a little token, and you start learning. You can use your laptop, you can use your phone to do any of this, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So you are not limited to what you can do with Amazon KDP, because at the end of the day, the chances are so much so that you can just start making money from the internet. Truly speaking, there are many ways to earn money online in dollars, but right now I'm telling you, Amazon KDP is one of the easiest, and it is genuine. Like I said before, you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is to learn and have someone who will put you through. This channel will always tell you that you should get ready to pay for extra knowledge. What we do on my page and this channel is to always tell you what business model you can put your money in, and once we give you such suggestion, you can be rest assured that once you put your money in there, it will yield you increase. Stop looking for where you will start without a capital. Most businesses need capital to start, unless somebody just wants to dash you the information. So feel free to always pay for information, get access to the main team. Those who are at the top, they pay their way through. Also pay your way through and learn. Amazon KDP is that business model you can do to make money in dollars, especially if you're in this part of the world. Well, my name is Kingsley Nemeka, and I wish you the best. If you find anything confusing about all I have said, all you need to do is to just drop a comment, and please share this video on WhatsApp status and let your friends come and see this opportunity. They may want to also be part of this. I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself and see you next time.